Good morning, class 8. Today we are starting ratio and proportion exercise 6.2. Okay, same process that we did yesterday. Solve the following problem using unitary method. You know what is unitary method. What is given? The cost of 17 notebook is rupees 212.50. Find the cost of 20 notebooks. Very easy. Cost of 17 notebook is rupees this. Therefore, cost of one notebook is this divided by 17, and cost of 20 notebook is this divided by 70 into this number 20. Now calculate it. The answer is 125 for 2125 divided by 17 is 125. Now here 2125 by 17 into 2 is there. So multiply this number by 2, you will get 250. So what will be the cost of 20 notebook? It will be rupees 250. Next question number 2. The cost of 17, rest of the problem you will solve. Same method. Okay. The cost of 17 tin boxes is rupees 106.25. Find the cost of a dozen tin boxes and also the cost of 20 tin boxes. Also cost of 20 tin boxes. Okay, this I will not do. Also cost of 20 tin boxes you will do it. So number of boxes, two quantity is there, number of boxes and cost. So 17 boxes cost is rupees 106.25. You have to find out 12 boxes cost. Now if the number of boxes are less, then automatically the cost will be decreased or the cost will be reduced. So this is directly proportional. So as these are directly proportional, we can write 17 by 12 equals to 106.25. Now 17 into x equals to 1025 into 12. So x equals to 12 into 106.25 divided by 17. I have done the calculation. This is the calculation and the answer is 75. So what is the cost of a dozen tin boxes? Rupees 75. Next portion you will do cost of 20 tin box by same process. Okay, question number 5. If 36 meter of a cloth cost rupees 918, how many meters of the same cloth can be purchased for rupees 255? Okay, same process is here, same process. Just see it. If you have any doubt, ask me in your live class. Next question number 7. It is given in a camp with 45 athletes. There is enough food to last for 25 days. After 5 days, 15 more athletes join the camp. For how long will the food last? Now, this thing you have to understand the thing. So many data are given. What? 45 athletes are there and for them 25 days food is there. Now after 5 days 15 more athletes join. So after 5 days how many days can they survive with the food that are present? How many numbers of athletes? 45. And how many days of foods are there? 20 days. 25 minus 5, 20 days. Now after 5 days how many more athletes join? 15 more. So now the number of athletes is 60. So if 45% can survive with a given food for 20 days, with that amount of food, how many days 60% can survive? So now if the number of athletes increases, days for food with limited amount will decreases automatically. If you have food for 5 days for you alone and your friend come, so both of you cannot stay with that food for 5 days because you will consume more food. So if the numbers of athletes increases, days will be decreases. So this is inversely or indirect proportional. Okay, so it will be here, the ratio will be like this: 45 by 60 equals to the opposite, x by 20. Therefore x equals to 45 into 20 divided by 60. So the answer is 15. So for 15 days will the food last. Now You try the rest of the question. If you have any doubt, ask me in your live class. Thank you, class.